Before starting an SEO strategy, it's important to set yourself up for success. Looking at every aspect of your online world can help support your SEO efforts in the future. In this video, we're going to review why SEO audits are so important and what type of audits you should be performing. Performing a comprehensive website audit is a great place to start. It provides insights into areas that need improvement. You need to understand your website's strengths and weaknesses fully. Then, you can develop a tailored SEO strategy that addresses your specific issues. Prioritizing SEO tasks allows you to develop a roadmap for achieving your goals. Scheduling regular website audits after the first one will help identify any changes in search engine algorithms that may affect your website's ranking. Remember that SEO is an ongoing process. Regularly auditing your website helps you continue to move forward. How often you audit your website depends entirely on your industry, business model, and goals. If your website is a crucial aspect of your lead generation efforts or your sales, then you will want to run audits as often as weekly. This will give your team a chance to react immediately to the valuable information you can glean from an audit. If your website is informational or you have a smaller team handling your SEO, monthly audits are more reasonable and more realistic to manage. Your website audits should cover 4 crucial areas: technical SEO, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, accessibility, and UX, user experience. First, let's talk about technical SEO. It includes everything that is going on under the hood of your website that can affect its search engine ranking. Slow, clunky, and hard-to-crawl websites can prevent some search engine bots from even being able to crawl your site. If search engines can't crawl your site, they can't index your pages. If they can't index your pages, users cannot find you. Technical SEO improvements you can make include things like fixing broken links, updating shoddy coding, making site pages mobile-friendly, improving site speed, and clearing up a wide range of shoddy coding practices. Next, let's look at on-page SEO. On-page SEO options are the tried-and-true search engine rules that stretch back to the early days of the internet. Through years of experimentation and documentation, we can tell what search engines like and don't like to see. SEO experts have cracked this code over the years, and we have identified some of the non-negotiable on-page SEO optimizations every site must include. Things like properly structured HTML and the inclusion of meta tags and titles gives our website a logical structure that every search engine will expect to see. On-page SEO can include having original and coherently written content that addresses your keyword focus and having images with appropriate alt tags. If you do nothing else to help your site, make sure you focus on-page SEO items. Third, let's talk about off-page SEO optimizations. These are items from other sources directly related to your website's reputation. They can give search engines a comprehensive picture of how other sources, companies, brands, and people view your website. Off-page SEO can include other business websites that mention yours and link back to you. We call those backlinks. Make careful note of these backlinks, but manage your expectations on how to resolve them. Some off-page SEO items can take months or years to fix. This depends on how quickly other people act and if they can be corrected at all. After auditing for technical on- and off-page SEO, you should take some time to evaluate how good of an experience using your website actually is. There are 2 main areas to examine: accessibility and user experience. An accessible website is one that everyone can use, regardless of possible disabilities. For example, can your site be used by blind people who rely on screen readers, or by someone with poor hand-eye coordination? The correct implementation of accessibility features benefits both humans and search engine bots. Having an accessible website isn't just the right thing to do, but it can help improve SEO results over time. There can also be legal consequences for not having an accessible website. However, the inclusivity and SEO benefits are more than enough reasons to prioritize these items. Finally, let's think about user experience. UX issues are aspects of your site that affect a user's opinion of your website. This may sound subjective, but there is an entire field of study dedicated to clearly defining how web surfers use websites and how they expect them to be structured. Adhering to those standards will convince users to stay on your site longer, increase the likelihood of conversions, and make them more likely to share your website with others. When they leave quickly, your website's bounce rate increases. Search engines use the bounce rate to quantify how much time people want to spend on your website. Auditing your website is a key component of SEO. It's the first thing you should do and will help create a strong foundation for your strategy moving forward.